Welcome to nature, where life lives. Nature is our home address. In the past, people think that everything in nature is made from only 4 parts. Today, we know that nature is made of arrangements of atoms. Let's see more about nature with 7 links. 1. Molecules. Earth and everything on it are made of about 100 different types of atoms. Atoms join together to make molecules. Water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2 are examples of molecules. Earth's crust is mostly molecules because of these atoms. Fire is molecules in motion. Fuel and oxygen burn to become heat, light, water, and CO2. Life molecules are mostly made of these atoms. How do lifeless atoms become living molecules? 2. Cells. DNA are the directions that assemble lifeless atoms into a living cell. The first life forms have only one single cell. Over time, various creatures with many cells called multicellular evolve. All cells need energy. All known life forms use the same type of molecule as a fuel source. Plants use sunshine to change CO2 and water in sugar carbs. Plants change them into ATP and use them for energy. Animals eat plants. Every animal cell changes food into ATP for energy. People use ATP too. 3. Systems. DNA directs cells to join. Groups of cells that work or function together are called a system. Plants have different systems. These include roots, stems, branches, and leaves. People are made of tens of trillions of cells that all work together. Lungs breathe in air and exhale CO2. The digestive system breaks food down into bits our bodies can use. Heart and tubes push life-giving blood throughout our bodies. Systems of bones and connecting muscles enable us to move. We sense our surroundings. We feel and we think with our neuron-based nervous system. 4. Climates. Different amounts of sunshine, heat, land, air, and water make different weather around the world. The long-term weather patterns make different climates. Tropical climates are hot and often wet. Temperate climates have hot summers and cold winters. Arctic tundra has short, cool summers and long, cold winters. 5. Biomes. Different climates lead to different communities of plants and animals that adapt to live at different locations on Earth. Of all the biomes, rainforests have the highest number of different kinds of creatures. Desert plants and animals adapt to very hot and dry places. Temperate forest flora and fauna adapt to sunshine and shade with the warm summers and cold winters. Oceans cover 2/3 of Earth. Diverse life lives in the deep waters that are hot at the equator and cold at the poles. More than half of Africa is grassy plains. Most of the time, it is between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. All life is connected on our circle-shaped planet. 6. Life. It is amazing how life adapts on Earth. These are rainbows of flowers and fragrances that stimulate our senses. Like magic, waterborne tadpoles change into land-leaping frogs. Amazingly, DNA changes the worm-like larva to reassemble atoms into beautiful butterflies. Salmon are born in fresh water. They adapt to live lives in the seas. Years later, they return to fresh water to lay eggs, and then the life cycle repeats. People adapt to live in cold, warm, and hot places too. All life is linked to the circles of cycles on Earth. 7. Atoms again. It is awesome to think about what it takes to enable life. Must have the right atoms with a balance of air, water, and heat. As much appreciated as life is, it is a fact of nature that all life eventually dies. Decomposers play a critical role in the circle of life. They break down dead cells and return the atoms back into nature. Recycled atoms become part of fertile soils. They are rich in molecules from which new life grows. To close, all around us are molecules in motions. DNA turns lifeless atoms into living cells. Our trillions of cells become systems that all work together to keep us alive. Climates are different combos of heat, land, air, and water. Life adapts to live in connected communities. Like how cells join together, life is linked to Earth's cycles. Life depends on these cycles and each other. To nurture nature is to care for ourselves and our only home. All life is precarious and precious.